Hey, 21, 21, 21. You're sounding real good out here, man. Disneyland. 639 Superman, thanks for the comment. I'll be talking to you soon. 639 Superman, I'm back out.
How about that 639 Superman? Hello, good afternoon, good morning, Tom wave to you, Mr. 639 Superman. Copperhead 295 with the wave.
More beef and cabbage. Got a little rainy weather out here.
No give back, no contact, that 639 Superman. No contact, no give back on that 639 Superman. The biggest mud duck in southeast Kentucky with a big old maul. Copperhead 295, reading this mail and rolling this gate.
Copperhead 295. Heavy shotgun. The wrong shotgun.
Hello, shotgun, 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 shotgun around Idaho. Hey, good afternoon, good morning, Tom wave to you. Shotgun, I heard you calling me. Copperhead 295, right back. How about that shotgun? Hey, about that shotgun, shotgun. Hello, how about that shotgun up here around Idaho? Hey, shotgun, Copperhead 295 with the wave. Hey, shotgun up there around Idaho. Hey, shotgun up there around Idaho. Big brother, it's rough and tough. Hey, shotgun up there around Idaho. It's rough and tough this time around. I want you to know I did hear you, Mr. Shotgun. Hey, shotgun around Idaho. Copperhead 295 saying I heard you, break.
And then right here, there's about 1 inch away. Well, 1 inch away is louder and a little distorted, but it doesn't really make much difference. It's pretty good either way. Our bottle for the Mount Captor got his ears on.
That big Phil had some big ears. I wish that big Phil had a set of big ears for Copperhead 295.
295 909. 295 909. Raven Big.
Hello, 909. Hello to you, 909. 295, right back.
I'll turn 295.
I apologize for that, Mr. 909. He said I was plugging your ears down there in them waters. Hey, 909, I apologize for that. Anyway, 73 to you, Mr. 909. Thanks for letting me know I'm getting down on my Cobra 29. 8909. Be sure and check yourself out on YouTube as I got this video gate rolling. Copperhead 295, and I'm reading this mail.
Hey, Ray, you can do it again. 295 909.